Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2012 to 2018 Audi A6 and S6? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram. Passenger compartment fuse box, left side. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2012 to 2018 Audi A6 and S6 left-hand drive powers key interior systems such as the infotainment unit, climate control, central locking, and electronic steering column. It also supports features like interior lighting, power seats, and the OBD2 diagnostic port. Passenger compartment fuse box, right side. The right side passenger compartment fuse box in the 2012 to 2018 Audi A6 and S6 controls features like the multimedia interface, air conditioning, glove box light, and passenger side electronics. It also supplies power to comfort systems such as seat adjustment and charging ports. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2012 to 2018 Audi A6 and S6 powers rear area systems such as the rear lights, power tailgate, parking sensors, trailer control module, and amplifier. It also supports rear power sockets and other trunk-mounted electronics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.